Tired of Asana automations gone wild? Let's tame those unruly rules and get your workflows back on track. First, navigate to the Asana project where you want to remove or disable an automation rule. Once you are in the project, look for the Customize button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It's usually located near your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that Customize button. This will open the project customization menu. In the menu that appears, locate and click on the Rules tab. This is where all the automation rules for your current project are listed. You'll now see a list of all the active rules in your project. Find the specific rule you want to get rid of or deactivate. Once you've found the rule, click on the rule itself. This will expand the rule to show more details. Then, look for the three dots, sometimes called an ellipsis, menu icon. It is usually located either at the top right corner of the rule or at the bottom. Clicking those three dots will open a drop-down menu with several options to temporarily stop the rule from running. Choose Disable. The rule will remain in the list but won't be active. If you want to completely remove the rule, select Delete from the menu. Asana will then ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the rule. Click Delete again to confirm your decision. And that's it. The rule is now disabled or completely removed from your Asana project. You can repeat these steps for any other rules you want to manage. Now you're back in control of your automated workflow.